Guys, me and Abby. Today I'm going to be showing you my new pajamas, which I ordered off Amazon for $16.99. You can get these off of Amazon. So I'm going to show you it. This is super exciting. It just came in the mail. Okay, these are the feet. Whoop. That's the little head. I'll show you it. It's the hoodie. That's the little hoodie. Smile. It's very, very cute. I love it so much. It has pockets. Okay. Here's the other pocket. Yeah, this little pocket. And here's another pocket. It has little buttons. Here are little buttons. They blend in. Beep, 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 beep. It's super soft. Like, I wish they had touch vision or small vision. But it is like so soft. I love it. See. Toby, you like them? Hey Toby, you like my pajamas? He's gray and white. He's gray and white. Toby, what do you think of my pajamas? He likes them. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe and join Little Heroes. No. Say goodbye, Toby.